Hi guys, as promised, I would make part 2 of Soundboard Stupidity soon. So let's get started with it. So yesterday we were in Marcus's activities. So let's get started.
My arms looking bare. Let's get tattoos of. Let's prevent the death of. Set things on fire.
Let's go. Okay, we're back.
My arms looking bare. Let's get tattoos of. The dirt.
LOL. By the way, let's go to Spongy Goes Traveling.
I've always wanted to travel to the top of Mount Everest.
Yeah.
By riding in my spaceship, you could get to the unlimited ventilation system.
LOL.
Wow, it seems like
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh hell yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my
my bestie pence.
Whoopsie.
I would only share my deepest secrets at that creepy sound behind the little dumpster. I would only share my deepest secrets by riding in my spaceship. You could get to the Shadow Realm.
LOL.
Ooh, let's play this new.
Whoopsie.
When my friends annoy me, I banish them to the unlimited ventilation system.
LOL.
Wow, it seems like Spongy's been exploring the. By riding in my spaceship, you could get to the deepest innards of your brain. I would only share my deepest secrets. When I want to relax, I go to the deepest innards of your brain.
Okay, next we have the. Okay, so finally we have Match gossips about you. This is gonna be at the end of Soundboard Stupidity. So, but that's just season 1. I'll make a season 2 of my favorite characters and my least. Okay. Yeah. I mean my least favorite places, timestamps. By the way, without further ado, let's go.
My new fabulous chartreuse hairdo. It's like so OMG amazing.
It's with me.
My bestie pence. It's like such an ugly face hideous menace. That KREP annoying speaker box. The unlimited ventilation.
Ooh, sorry.
That KREP annoying speaker box is totally gonna spill the tea about. Didn't deserve all that That KREP annoying speaker box is totally gonna spill the tea about my bestie pence.
Next, please.
That KREP annoying speaker box should totally play Spongy Cake with is my new fabulous
chartreuse hairdo is like so. I went, yes.
Sorry.
My new fabulous chartreuse hairdo is like such an ugly face, hideous menace.
You're right.
The end.